Hi and welcome to Kulfi Forms. With Kulfi Forms add-on, you can create a real estate client information form for free in just 2 minutes. See you after this quick intro. I'll open my Google Sheet. From Add Once, Kulfi Forms, Load Form Template, write in search Real, and you will find the first result. Select it, then click Load Selected Template. Here from Kulfi Forms, I'll copy the link of the template. Then I'll paste it in a new tab. And here is the form. It starts with the title Real Estate Client Information Form, and the information that you will collect from this form are first name, last name, office address, work country, work phone number, home address, home country, home phone number, email, status, what kind of properties are you interested in, additional notes, and then the submit button. Here from settings, you can change wherever you want in this template. And from questions, you can add or remove any information that you want to collect. And you will notice that this link is completely synced to your Google Sheet. Hope this form was interesting. Thanks for watching Kulfi Forms and stay tuned for the next video.